Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Discover mobile application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in and search for Discover Mobile. Once you find the Discover Mobile application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the Install button. Tap on the Install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Discover mobile application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when it is done, you will see the Open button. Now you can tap on the Open button and proceed with signing up or logging into your Discover account to start using the application right from your phone for your banking needs. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Discover mobile banking application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.